So this is a video for a Harley Davidson 2013 Fatboy Low Custom that I have for sale. Um, Very low, well, fairly low mileage, 27,000. Tires are practically new. I think I maybe have 1,000 or so miles on them. Been well maintained, oil changes, religiously changed. When I made the video, it was raining. It's Washington State, so there's that. Extras on the bike include detachable windshield, detachable bags, the speaker system you see there. There's some RAM mounts for phone, USB chargers for your phone, or whatever else you may want to plug in, like a camera. There's an additional RAM mount for a GoPro if you choose to use it, or you might just want to take that off. Heated grips, I don't know if I mentioned that before. Those are on there too. Here's a view with the windshield on. This comes on and off in just a few minutes. Again, you get a good look at the bike, what it looks like without the bag on. This side with the bag. I'll go ahead and put the bag on. You can hear the bike idling now. I will kind of rev it up a little bit, but the engine runs really well. There's no issues. That's what I'm looking at. The bag, as you see, snaps on extremely fast, so you can add those or remove those as you want, depending on whether you're riding or using for the day. I did take a trip down to San Jose on this bike, and it did very, very well for that trip. And then, of course, there's the detachable sissy bar, which I have. Put it on here, which will get slaps on within just a few seconds. Very comfortable to ride. Shifts very well. There's no issues with that. There is one small issue with the bike. There is this tiny dent in the back fender, and you really have to look to see it. But when it comes back around,